थोड़ा सा हाथ स्ट्रेट कर दो बस। ये परफेक्ट।
आज सजया है वे सारा शहर.
The planning, because we got engaged last year, so because of COVID, we were not sure when to get married and when eventually it would happen. But then, by God's grace, in Jan we realized that we could plan it in sometime April, and it so happened that with God's grace everything is falling in place, and now everything is happening. It is a very difficult time right now, and it is a very you don't know what is going to happen. It's very uncertain, but touch wood, God is being on our side, and all the things are happening now.
तेरी बन जाना आज तो सजना वे खुशियां दा चढ़िया आज वेला वे सारे आने नचना सारे आने गाना वे.
Most of my cousins are not here because most of them are out of country. My cousin Shiny, who's my age, we've grown up together. She's as old as me, and we've done everything together. I am very upset about her not being here, and I would have really wished she could have been here. We're trying to keep her involved, but I know that she's missing the fun more than me. And I really miss her because she's my age and we've done everything together since childhood.
खुशियां दा चढ़िया आज वेला वे सारे आने नचना सारे आने गाना वे खुशियां दा चढ़िया आज वेला वे सारे आने नचना सारे आने गाना वे खुशियां दा चढ़िया आज वेला वे सारे आने नचना सारे आने गाना वे.
So Ankit and I met in our first year in PNG, and we both joined together.
Tavleen and I were the only two people who were recruited in the company and were given a common location, Gurgaon, and that is where our friendship started.
Call it destiny or call it I don't know what, but I was very nervous that I got Delhi as my training location. I was very sad about it. I was very worried, how will I manage? But that turned out to be a blessing in disguise for me. When for a project, both of us had to work together, and we had to spend close to 8 to 10 hours together every day, just two of us working on a project.
Became extremely good friends after that, and then it became the obvious next step that yes, she is the one.
तकला सदक यकीन दिमाल पाके मन का पा मन दा जे शऊर हो गए ओदे ना दी रुई खरीद करके वट पुणिया
We were so similar, and we were best of friends in the start. We were like, I had never made such a friend in my life, and he also felt the same way. We were very comfortable with each other.
So over a period of time, it wasn't a one single moment where we realized that yes, we need to take the next step. But it was over a period of time when we realized that yes, we are right for each other. In fact, we are perfect for each other.
Eventually, slowly and steadily, of course, that turned out to be when we realized that we eventually want to spend our lives together. And here we are today when we're getting married.
ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੱਕ ਚਰਖਾ ਗਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਵਾਂ ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੱਕ ਚਰਖਾ ਗਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਵਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਪਾਣੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟਦੀ ਤੰਦ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਚਰਖੇ ਦੀ ਕੂਕੜ ਦੇ ਓਲੇ ਚਰਖੇ ਦੀ ਕੂਕੜ ਦੇ ਓਲੇ ਯਾਦ ਤੇਰੀ ਦਾ ਤੁੰਬਾ ਬੋਲੇ ਯਾਦ ਤੇਰੀ ਦਾ ਤੁੰਬਾ ਬੋਲੇ ਵੇ ਨਿੰਮਾ ਨਿੰਮਾ ਗੀਤ ਛੇੜ ਕੇ ਵੇ ਨਿੰਮਾ ਨਿੰਮਾ ਗੀਤ ਛੇੜ
The
ਕੇ
proposal, it was so simple. Like, we knew from day one that we are going to end up together. I remember he was just going home and he was just getting off the metro and he just said, Acha, will you marry me? So it was so obvious. Like, he was going to tell his parents about me. I had already told my parents about him. And he's like, oh, I forgot, I didn't propose.
So Tavleen is somebody who is extremely caring, extremely humble. She has the ability to put the other person before herself and think from the point of view of the other person. So that is something that I really like about her, that she's genuine, she's honest.
What I like about Angad is that first and foremost, he makes me feel the most comfortable I've been around any person. So I am an introvert by nature, and I don't generally feel comfortable, social gatherings and all those things. And he was one person with me who was feeling exactly the same. And I know that whenever I am with him, I don't have to be someone else.
ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਮਾਇਆ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਪਾਣੇ ਸੂਤ ਕੱਟਦੀ ਤੰਦ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਚਰਖਾ ਗਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਵਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਇਹ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਮੈਂ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਸਭ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਮਲੰਗ ਇਹ ਜਗ ਛੱਡ ਮੈਂ ਮਲੰਗ ਸਭ ਛੱਡ ਮੈਂ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਵੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ
All the preparations were going on to the point where we were taking the fairas. I never felt anxious or nervous or had cold feet even for a split second. only because it was Tavleen that was coming home with me.
So when we are together, mostly what is happening is we are laughing together. So he's also an introvert like me, but when we are together, we are two extroverts together because we are very comfortable with each other. So it's just more about making fun of each other. He's making fun of me, I am making fun of him. We're just laughing it off all the time.
The message is that Tavleen, don't just be happy, just live the moments and don't overthink, don't stress a lot, and
it's going to be fun क्योंकि अंगद और you because you both know each other you've been knowing each other for so long, so I guess it will be good, everything will be good. अगर कुछ stress हुआ तो I'm sure Angad will handle,
and we are always there. You are going to rock it, you're the best person we know and you're going to rock it, and you're the prettiest bride we know. So, and we are just a call behind, so call us anytime, we are always there for you, you know that.
We love you, Tavleen.
देखो नी की कर गया माही लैंदा ही दिल हो गया राही देखो नी की कर गया माही लैंदा ही दिल हो गया राही देखो नी की कर गया माही लैंदा ही दिल हो गया राही देखो नी की कर गया माही लैंदा ही दिल हो गया
The fact that the wedding is with Tavleen, with whom I already share so much of my life, it feels like a gradual next step.
If I have to just say one word about how my life changed or how I changed because of Angad coming in my life, I just feel courage. That's the word, courage.
ਭੈਣਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਲਦੀ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਭਰਾ, ਬਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਬਸ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੇ, ਬਸ ਉਹੀ ਹੈ.
I am feeling excited, nervous for her, and I hope she has a very, very happy married life, and I wish her all the best. And she
But
knows
they're made for each other.
Yes.
Both Angad and Tavleen are made
and
for
she
each other.
always has me. I'm a phone call away, and any Bahu advice, I've been doing it for a
Yeah.
while. I will be there for doing that work.
Angad, you're a very lucky guy. She's a very nice girl, and I'm sure you'll take good care of her.
Leaving the house for me, I am not able to, comprehend that feeling as of now. I've not been able to because I personally feel that I will never leave my parents. I don't know, I just don't feel that there's going to be leaving, and that is majorly because of how Angad makes me feel. The family I'm also going into, they're such wonderful people that I'm sure even they will never make me feel, or they will not let me feel that I've left the house and come here. I'll have two houses always. I always feel that I'll have two homes.
तवलीन ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਨੇਚਰ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ। ਮੈਂ ਹਰ ਜਿਸ ਦਿਨ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਤਵਲੀਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਚਲੀਏ, ਅੱਜ ਖਾਣ ਚਲੀਏ, ਅੱਜ मूवी देखने चलिए, ਹੁਣ मैं ज़्यादा ही मिस करांगी वीकेंड पे। और बाहर का खाना मम्मा चलो ऑर्डर करते हैं। हमेशा याद रखे तवलीन, सदा खुश रहे। अंगद ना, मिस यू।
I just know that when he's there, I'm going to be happy, and he's going to make sure that I'm happy. So I don't have any worries about that. I know that is never going to be a concern, that I'm not happy. Yes, I'm also looking forward to your cooking, your amazing cooking, the amazing eggs you make. And I'm looking forward to getting lessons of cleaning the house regularly and getting disciplined in keeping the house clean. I think we both are looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to watching memes with you together, watch the memes and laugh together, and all the amazing music taste that you have. We'll enjoy it together, and yeah, make fun of me every day, and that is how we live. Let's make fun of each other, have fun with each other, and have an amazing life ahead.
So Tavleen, thank you for everything that you have done for us till now, and I am really excited about starting a life together. So that day is finally here, and I'm really happy and blessed that the day is here and the fact that I have you, and I will continue to love you forever. आइडिया दे, एडिट हो जाएगा ना, बट आइडिया, गुड वर्ड्स. तवलीन.
So, 1 second.
मैं वो कहता स्वीट भी हो गया जी, वो भी हो गया. दोनों का करा देना चाहिए. एक मिनट, लेट मी थिंक इट थ्रू. मीनवाइल कैन वी रीडू द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि उसमें काफ़ी रुक के बोला मैंने. क्या क्वेश्चंस? एक बार आप स्टार्ट कर दे. नहीं. सो व्हेन वी आर टुगेदर द एम्बियंस इज़ वेरी. एक मिनट रुक जाओ, अब मैं कॉन्शियस हो गया. नहीं. वेयर इज़ तवलीन व्हेन आई नीड हर? ये आंसर वो बताएगी जब वो आ जाएगी, उसके साथ बैठ के करते हैं. सीरियसली.
Okay, I'll try.
तवलीन जब छोटी थी ना, एक बारी हम लोग फैमिली ट्रिप के लिए गए थे, नांदेड़ में थे, तो पापा आगे पीछे थे, तो शी जस्ट वेंट टू सम रैंडम गाय और उनकी पैंट उतारना शुरू कर दी कि पापा करके. So that's one of the funniest incident I remember of her. So yeah.
So, what about Silver Guns Entertainment? They came into our lives 2 years back when my brother got married, and we had an amazing adventure where they'd covered all the functions, and we had such good, amazing memories that we still look at. I remember for my own wedding, we were referencing their videos, that how do we make this kind of magic possible now again. We had an amazing experience with them in my brother's wedding, and yet again in my wedding now. We are having yet another great experience with them. There's a great team. They make you feel comfortable. They make you feel like, I know for me, my personality, nobody can bring this out of me. And to get that out of me is a big deal. So I would strongly suggest that if you, for personally like me, a person who's very camera conscious and someone who is very bad at posing and photographs, they bring out the best in me, and I am really happy with their work and would definitely recommend to anyone who's looking to have fun in the wedding and amazing videos and pictures. For that, I would definitely recommend Vineet and his team.